Hello, this is Dr. D and welcome to my episode number 3. Oh, that's a rhyme. I'm Dr. D, episode 3. Little joke. Okay, today you can say who you are. For example, I am Dr. D. Okay? And when you can say that in short, you can say I'm Dr. D. Or I'm Piotr. I'm Saban, I'm Maria, I'm Ahmed, or I'm Susanna, and so on. I'm the short form for I am. Okay, that's me. So the other forms is I am, you are, he, Henry, he is, she is. In short form, I'm Dr. T, you are Saban. He's a nice man, he's Henry, and she's a nice girl. That's Anne, of course, you know Henry and Anne. Okay? I'm, you're, he's, she's. The long forms are I am, you are, he is, she is. Now look at this here. I am, and the short form is I'm. You are, the short form, the better form is you're, okay? You are. And he is, he's, she is, she's. Okay, now when you come from Spain, you say, I'm Spanish, okay? My name is Jose, okay? When you come from Spain, you say, I'm Spanish. When you come from Italy, you say, I'm Italian. When you come from Albania, you say, I'm Albanian. When you come from Greece with Athens, then you say, I'm Greek. Okay? When you're Turkish, you come from Turkey, you are Turkish. Okay? You come from Turkey, you're Turkish, and you say, I'm Turkish. My name is Ahmed, my name is Aisha, my name is, and so on. When you come from Iraq, you say, I'm Iraqi. When you come from Dubai, you say, I'm from Dubai, okay? I don't know, is that Dubaian? No. All right. So I'm, you're, his. So here is the full pattern. I, you, they. Okay? Just stop and write it down. Okay, so you can say something like, for example, are you English? And you say, no, I'm not. I'm Turkish. I live in Istanbul. Okay? Hear that again, and then you say that. Are you English? No, I'm not. I'm Turkish. I live in Istanbul. Okay? And Maria, is she Turkish? No, she isn't. She's Spanish. She lives in Valencia. Okay? And Piotr, is he Spanish? No, he isn't. He's Russian. He lives in Moscow. He's Russian. He lives in Moscow. And now the Millers, the family, the Miller family, the Millers, are they Italian? No, they aren't. No, they aren't. They are English. They live in London. Okay? And you, Paul and Svetlana, are you Spanish? And they say, no, we're not. We're Polish. We come from Poland. We live in Warsaw. Okay? Now listen to that again. I say it first, and then you read it after me. Are you ready? Okay? Are you English? No, I'm not. I'm not English, okay? You don't need the English. I'm not. I'm Turkish. I live in Istanbul. Maria, is she Turkish? No, she isn't. She's Spanish. She lives in Valencia. And the Millers, the Miller family, are they Italian? No, they aren't. They are not. Okay. They are English. They live in London. And you, Paul and Svetlana, Pavel and Svetlana, are you Spanish? No, we're not. We're Polish. We come from Poland. We live in Warsaw. Okay, I hope you have you learned this. It's I am, you are, he is, she is. We are, you are, two people, and they are. And the short forms, I'm. Okay, let's put that together with an adjective. I'm English. You're English. He's English. She's English. We are English. You are English. They are English, or Turkish, or Arabian, or Albanian, or Italian, and so on. Okay? It's very important because this you will need in episode 4. And I hope to see you there. Bye-bye from Dr. D. Have a good time. Bye-bye.